Can you use LinkedIn without any experience, with no experience? Yes, you can use LinkedIn with no experience. Although, of course, LinkedIn prefers you to put 3 jobs down in your experience section, so that they know you're a real person. You can not show the experience section in your profile. And if you're old enough to create an account for LinkedIn, you will have had some experience, even if it's just going to different classes at school. But the important thing is to use the experience, is to create an account and decide what you want to do with LinkedIn. Because LinkedIn's a site for helping businesses find the people they want to connect with. So if you don't have any relevant experience for the field that you want to go into, then you, first of all, don't lie. But just say what you want to go for and leave the experience blank, because it's not relevant to the actual person making the decision. Or if it is, then ask you for it and you know where you are then. The best thing is to create an account, decide what you want to do, and use LinkedIn to further your dreams. If you want any help in building your business using LinkedIn to be more sustainable, please let me know. I'm Philip Allen. You can find me on LinkedIn